Hi, grade sevens. Today we're going to work with some integer number operations. Okay? One of the ways that you might want to solve integer operations is by modeling. Okay? What you can use are counters, or you could just draw out your own diagrams. Today we're going to use counters. All right, let's just give us a integer question. We'll say we have positive 3, and we're going to add to that a negative 5. Okay, so to model that, we're going to use these counters. So we're going to have 3 positives, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll add to that 5 negatives. Now, one of the things that you might want to do, and I highly recommend, is make sure you line all of these guys up, and you'll see here real quick why. Okay, so whenever a positive meets a negative, we call that a zero pair. They cancel out, okay? So when you have 3 positives like this, they'll cancel out with the 3 negatives. What are we left with becomes our answer, okay? So what do we have left? In this case is negative 2. Just another example for you. We'll go with negative 7 add positive 3. Now notice, grade 7s, that I like putting brackets around my integers. And the reason I want to do that is so that I don't accidentally get confused by having the operation signal, right? The operation symbol, get confused with what's attached to the number, okay? You don't want to interfere or mistake your operation with the integer value, okay? Either positive or negative, okay? So we'll model this equation again by going negative 7. So we'll get 7 negative guys. So 2, 4, 6, and 7. And we're going to add to that positive 3. One of those, 3. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and make our 0 pairs. Okay, so 0 pairs, again, they cancel each other out. Oops, we'll get that color. And then we'll look at what we have left over. Okay, and in this case, we have 4 chips, and they are negative chips, and therefore our answer to negative 7 add positive 3 is equal to negative 4. Again, a couple of recommendations is always put brackets around the integers to separate the operation symbol from the integer symbol. And also note that I've been using a positive symbol in front of the digit. However, if you were to see a number on its own, it is implied that it is a positive, okay? You do not always need the positive integer symbol to show that that value is positive, okay? This, without a symbol, is implied that the value is positive.